Hello, this is Group 7. My name is Fang Chen. Along with me are my group members, Aslesha, Grishma, Shetali, and Harka. Today we are presenting you our SAPM project, Meet and Greet. Our agenda today is first, we introduce you a little bit about Meet and Greet. Second, the reason why we designed this system, the functionalities, scope, and feasibility of this new system. And finally, the interface design for Meet and Greet. MeetNGreet is an automated system to schedule appointments for individual students and group of students. Besides, it also enables checking time slots and availabilities for meetings and searching for desired meeting venues. MeetNGreet is designed exclusively for UT Dallas students and professors. With a huge campus and rising population like UEE, MNG is the ideal application for planning, scheduling, and meeting. You're just one click away from your preferred time and location in group meetings. There is no more waiting outside the office or standing outside professor cabins in between meetings. The problem with the current UTD system is that there is no scheduling available for students in booking appointments with professors other than mailing them. With exchanging emails, it is relatively time-consuming and inefficient because of the long response time, or sometimes even conflicting time. With the large amount of courses and offerings in UTD, there is limited office hours for each professor under each session. As a result, there is often student waiting, leaving unresolved questions after office hours. The status of office hour, whether it is occupied or not, it is also unknown for students and group of students. Students are also unaware of professors' availability throughout the week. Lastly, professors are unable to book appointments with multiple groups in a systemized manner, since students do not have an estimate time of their appointments. Our solution is provided with the design of Meet and Greet. With the emergence of this new system, students can check professor's schedule, informed about professor's availability, book one-on-one appointment with professors, book group meetings and rooms with adequate seating capacity, get a wait time for them to meet the professor. In addition, professors can announce available hours for groups to schedule appointments and block time slots where conflicts occur.
Now let's look at the benefits of the Meet and Greet application. With the system, you can drastically reduce the mundane efforts of exchanging emails back and forth with professor and also your fellow students. The application automatically synchronizes the schedules of all the people involved in the meet and thus reduce your effort in figuring out the availability of the persons involved. The app also updates everything on the go and you'll receive a notification if there is an impromptu change in the time or location of the meet, thereby helping you to do away with the hassle of having to go and learn that the meet has been postponed. Since everything is in one place and keeps you and your peers in track of all the updates, it makes optimal use of the time and resources involved. Now let's see how the app actually works. It allows the students and professors to log in via UTD system. You have two different portals, the student portal and the professor portal. The students portal is for the students to check availability of professors for their enrolled courses and be able to book appointments with them. In the professors portal, professors can post, update, and block time slots under each class section. The application allows you to filter course name, professor names, section IDs, time slots, availability, etc. It sorts the result according to users' preference. You also can sync Outlook calendars for new bookings. It triggers notification for status updates on appointment messages. Using the application, you can reserve room for group meetings. The application maximizes the resource utilization in terms of room capacity and duration. Now let's take a look at the scope of the project. The estimated cost for project implementation is approximately $10,000. Since this is an application that needs to be built, we estimated the time to be around 2 to 3 months depending on the level of technical expertise handling the project. And this project do not require any additional significant manpower. So data is what you primarily need for this application. The UTT database system provides data information on course, staffing, and building room information related to appointment booking. The MeetNGreet application pulls all the data and synchronizes the Outlook calendar and gets the schedules of both professors and students.
Now let's take a look at design interface. Our first screen is main screen. Main screen includes tabs for sign-in, book appointment, and account. This screen will be same for student and professor, but further functionalities will differ according to role of user. Our next screen is sign-in screen. If the user already exists in a system, the sign-in tab will redirect user to login screen. And if the user does not exist in a system, the sign-in screen will appear. On sign-in screen, you can select the option according to your role. If you're professor, you can select professor. Or if you're student, you can select student. You can fill your name, university name, email ID, net ID, phone number, and assign a password to your account. You can log into your account by using your phone number or email ID and password. If you click on Book Appointment tab, for already existing user, the tab will take you to login screen. And after login, booking appointment screen will appear. On booking appointment screen, username will be autofilled. Student can book an individual appointment or can book an appointment for group by selecting student. User can select name of professor, date, time, and duration, and room for the meeting. If user clicks on account tab, meeting screen will appear. On meeting screen, user will be able to check all assigned meetings. If user wants to get details about the scheduled meeting, user can just tap on a meeting and get details like date, time, and duration of meeting. User can also cancel meeting by swiping left.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the remaining two tabs under my section or my account section. I will start with RSVP screen. Here user can accept or reject the invites. For students, they can get invites from other students for group meetings or from professor if professor has made any modification or cancellation in the appointment. Next is the notification tab. Here, this notification tab is for students. Students can receive notifications from other students if they have invited them for other group meeting, or from professors if they have made any changes in the invite, like if they have cancelled the appointment or if they have made any changes in the date or the venue of the appointment. Okay, next is the book appointment by the professor. This screen is a little different from the one which we have seen for the students. Here, a professor can book appointment for the entire class at once. Professor can select the date, time, hour, and the venue for the appointment. And professor can also input some data points for students for their group appointments or for the entire class. Okay, this is the interesting screen where the professor can book appointment or block time for themselves. Here, professor can block a time for their personal work or for any official or research work they want to do. I'm going to talk about meeting calendar for professor screen. It displays all the appointments scheduled by the students, and professor can also see the agenda of the meeting, number of group or individuals scheduled for the day. The screen displays the appointment request and the professor can accept, reject, or modify appointment request. Also, the professor can choose an alternate date, time, or venue if he wishes to postpone the meeting. The screen displays all the activity at one place. Here, professor can see all the appointment requests or changes made by students. Now, summarizing the entire system, MeetNGreet is an automated appointment booking system, which is essential for increasing efficiency of students and staff. As mentioned earlier in slides, currently student and professor face a lot of challenges while booking appointment, especially when students have to book appointment in a group. Due to varying schedule of each student, it becomes impossible to meet together at one time. Hence, MeetNGreet provides solution to all these above problems, but by not only providing automated appointment booking functionality, but also extending it
for group meeting. It also provides functionality of sorting by class or filtering by section or providing estimate wait time to students for their meetings. It is user-friendly application which would give an instant access to your daily, week or weekly schedule and thus help you in planning your day efficiently. Having this application would definitely improve the efficiency of student and reduce the mundane and unnecessary task.